Hey, what's going on, you guys? Jason here from Pacific Northwest Summit Seekers, here with Brennan. How old are you, Brennan?
5.
5. We're up here on Mount Rainier. We're gonna do the Snow Lake Trail. We just started. It's hot, but it's Brennan's first hike, so we're gonna check it out. What do you think of the mountain so far?
It's very good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Is it beautiful?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he likes all the trees, and he loves the snow, even though there's none here. But this is the trail, and we're gonna keep on going as far as he wants to go before we go down to the Deschutes River and hang out for a bit. So see you in just a little bit. What do you think of this? Beautiful? That's really cool. All right. How you doing, Chunk?
Good.
How you feeling?
I'm doing really good.
What do you think of hiking?
It's really good.
Is it really good?
Yes.
Yeah?
Whew.
I'm getting...
It's really hot out there.
It is hot out here.
Yeah.
It was hotter than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah. I really thought it was gonna be a little bit hot, but it's really hot.
Yeah. Well, you are doing spectacular, bud.
Whew.
Go ahead, tell her about them.
These are purple pink flowers.
Yeah, what'd you want to do?
I was gonna pick one for you.
He wanted to pick you a flower. I told him on Mount Rainier, you can't take vegetation. So, he wanted to take a video of all these flowers in this little field so we can bring that home to you.
Yep. It's like parkour.
Hardcore parkour. Yep. It is when you got that much energy.
Yeah. It is really hot out here.
It feels good right here. Huh.
Whew.
What do you think of the lake?
It is really good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me, what's your favorite part so far?
When we were right here.
This is your favorite part? This moment right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, are you gonna video me? This is my favorite part too. Oh, I'm getting a nostril shot.
Oh my. What?
Those flies. Okay.
We're gonna go back up here. We're going all the way back to our car.
All the way back to the car. That's right.
Yeah. Actually, we're just gonna go all the way back to the car.
Yep, back to the car. And
Get some snacks and then go down that river.
we're gonna get some snacks. Then we're gonna go to Narada Falls.
Yep.
So you can check out those big falls. And then we're gonna go to the river and hang out. Need help?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right here. Are you serious? You serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? Dad, I take a picture here.
Okay, I'll take a picture with you. Staying hydrated?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Still nice and cold?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Nice and hydrated.
What are you doing? Oh, you're recording it. Because we always have to record.
Oh, you're doing so good. Just watch your step.
And look at them. Here.
Just walk right in the middle of it.
I'm walking very slow.
Yep.
50, 50, slow.
Oh yeah. No problemo.
Up here. We go up here. Really big step.
Big steps. Oh my gosh. Bigger than you are.
Yeah, I know. We go here. And we're almost there.
Flat spot.
I hear the road.
You hear the road? What does that mean?
That means we're close nearby.
To
To
the
a
car. He's been doing really good. Super good. And we can hear the road, so, I could actually see the road. So we're just about back to the car.
Yeah.
All right. Bench Lake, Snow Lake. Okay, come here. We started here. We went up, saw Bench Lake. And then we turned around probably right about here. Awesome. What'd you think? Oh, you're gonna take it?
I love that.
Oh.
You think you loved it?
I did, I loved it.
Yeah.
All right, made it back to the road. Brendan says it was really good. His first hike, did amazing. Now we're gonna get out of these flies because they're awful and see what we're gonna do next. What do you think?
We're going back home.
You wanna go back home?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very fun though.
Yeah. Where do you want to go first though?
To the gift
Gift shop?
the gift shop.
Let's go to the gift shop. I told him I'd get him a memento. Okay. Mount Rainier. Signing out.
I knew it was a cookie.
All right, we got Cheers cookies, okay? After that big hike. Okay. To a great hike. Tink, tink, tink. Oh yeah.
I knew it was cookies.
I told him I brought a special treat. I told him I was gonna surprise him. He said, I bet it's a cookie. Pretty bad.
It was a cookie.
Whew. Get those windows open, it's hot in here. Oh, what do you think of that trail?
I loved it.
You loved it?
Woo!
Not too hard?
Yeah.
It's a little steep in places, but not bad. Flies are awful.
Yeah. I hated those slides. I give those slides a 0 out of 10.
Yeah, 0 out of 10 for the flies, I agree.
Yeah, but for the mountain, 1,000 out of 10.
Yeah, 1,000 out of 10. Yeah.
Woo!
Okay.
This was really fun.
You love it? Yeah. Get that AC going.
But at least I have my repel.
Yeah, you got a nice ice cold Propel. Dad's got a nice cold drink. Now we're gonna start heading down. Woo, yeah.